Ngayong araw po ay nandito po tayo sa bago na gusto ko nang batiin yung ating mga kababayan dyan from Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, ang ating mga OFWC ba't sulok ng mundo. At ang magandang araw po sa inyo sa ating mga viewers, silent viewers, organic viewers at sa lahat ng ating mga supporters. Magandang araw po sa inyo. Ngayong araw po guys, nandito tayo sa Haneda Airport at makikipag-meet po ako sa aking apo na since birth hindi pa kami nakikita nito at ay pinanganak sa Amerika. Ngayon ay nandito siya nakatira sa Villa Puntani Hotel yan, harapan ko. So ang problema, hindi ko makontak yung kanyang phone kasi walang internet yung aking cellphone. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan siya ngayon. Nasabi ko kasi kita kami dyan sa lobby. So guys, samahan nyo ko, let's go. Yan. Uy, nag-iiba-iba palang kulay nito. Ito yung passageway going to Haneda Airport. Mula doon sa Villa Puntani. Ito Villa Puntani. Yan. Villa Puntani Premier. Ngayon, layo-layo pa yung ating lalakarin papunta doon. No? Layo pa pala. So guys, excited na akong ma-meet ko yung aking apo. Kaso lang guys, may problema. Ano ito eh, spokening dollars. Baka manunosblade ako dito. Pero I'll try my best, you know. English lang yun. Tao tayo eh, English lang yan. Kayang-kaya yan. Pag hindi na nalang kaya yung English, eh di bibisayain natin. Kasi ang mother niyan tsaka father Ilonggo. Nakakaintindi rin siya ng konting Ilonggo. Where are you, my grandson? Patitikim mo sana to ng ramen eh. Hindi naman ramen to. Hindi naman ramen yasang to. Where is the lobby? Good morning ma'am. Where's the lobby? Villa Puntani lobby. Where's? Hotel na lobby? This one? No, the entrance.
Yes.
This is entrance lobby?
Yes.
Okay. I can go inside?
Yes. Please go to the first floor. Escalator. This escalator. Up.
I'm going up.
Yes.
This one, what floor?
Second floor.
So I'm going to fourth floor.
Fourth floor.
Thank you very much. Beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Ang birang lobby yan. Nasa fourth floor daw. Nasa baba pala ako. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa pala lobby yun. Ito pa yung lobby. Akit tayo sa taas. Ito ngayon guys ang problema. Kasi hindi ko makontak yung apo ko. Sabi sa akin dito sa front desk, binigyan na nila yung internet nila, yung password para maano ko, makontak ko yung apo ko nga, si Kyle. Eh hindi naman siya online. Paano yun? Anong problema? Hindi dito sa lobby. Yan po test sa likod ko. So, itry ko sabihin doon. Sabihin doon sa kwarto niya. Doon sa sarong niya. Bumaba siya. Try natin. Sa wakas, nagkita na rin kami.
The adventure begins na.
So, we eat first because I'm hungry.
Wait, no, sorry again.
Where's the lobby?
The lobby, we out there.
This is the ground floor?
This is the ground floor na. Sa restaurants and stores na. I got the chance to explore since
Oh, where did you go?
mostly around Terminal 3. But I already bought some souvenirs.
Yeah, it's very near. This hotel is very near in the airport.
It's nice since I can go out.
That passage.
That's what you use.
Yeah, going to the airport.
I already have Suica, so transit card. I did my research. Don't worry.
Tupat.
But I'm homeless. So
How many kilos? How many kilos?
I mean, muscle.
Iti?
IKEA. I am going sa military, so I'm weak. But mostly muscle, na.
Your mommy told me that you are applying for US Air Force. Yeah, okay, that's it. Because sometimes you can visit Japan. Or
So
you assignment to the where's the ramen here?
there is isa downstairs, the old restaurant. Down there, but very far. But yeah, I look up Damo videos for Japan.
This is GoPro. GoPro. Old GoPro. I cannot buy the new one.
No, it's okay.
I'm using the
Even old stuff is good if you treat it right.
yeah, it's good. Even my friend told me that's good. It's good than the new one.
The hotel has Damo amenities. I got to explore. They have onsen sa roof.
Okay.
I tried to learn some Japanese, so I just doing myself like example, like excuse me, so I can get some attention.
Yeah, your phone has ano?
So what happened? I was supposed to get it fixed by last night, but
Where? Last night,
but my mom could not get the code, so now I will fix it by tomorrow hopefully. So I am just taking pictures.
This is okonomiyaki, but it's not good. I
My,
don't like.
my friend told me if you have plastic model in front of the restaurant, no good. Like that
Plastic,
one,
nani?
like that plastic, like that one, like showcase.
Plastic what?
Like that one, like showcase. They said no good. That's what my that's
ano?
like a tip. So
They call that set A, set B, set C.
the sets.
Oh, this is not Japanese ramen. This is Chinese.
We might have to go outside. So that's really good. Really areas here. I mean, it's
You know, I don't like that kind of food. What?
I think
Did you go outside?
parking in Wasna. Not yet, no. I have nothing gone to the Heathrow. I'm enjoying my time in this right now.
It's nice here because it's cold. Outside is very hot.
I took the warning very seriously. I packed mostly shorts.
Do you know that there is a typhoon coming here?
Yeah. I said
Maybe your
stuck?
flight going back
might get late.
because maybe may delay because
That's soon.
the typhoon will enter Japan
When tomorrow?
maybe 27 or 28.
I mean, I wanted to stay longer.
But if they will cancel your flight,
I have to buy it.
no,
They will
rebook
okay,
it.
good.
But your hotel is
Different.
no, they will also
Okay.
provide you hotel because it's cancelled. Your flight is cancelled.
Will you guys ship over there? I mean, I wanted to stay longer. Because I was like, "Oy, I only have almost like 4 days na since I arrived midnight last night.
Hmm.
So I'm like, I want to enjoy a little more. I said, if I cannot enjoy, I buy now.
So you cannot go to ano na, Osaka.
Oh, because the time goes.
Yeah, because it's
Too risky.
risky.
Yeah.
if you stay there and then the item will come,
Yeah, I will just
that's a problem.
stay sa Tokyo area, my
Uh-huh.
picture. For now.
Osaka is very far.
Yeah. 4 hours na. I checked the updated bullet train. This one.
Oh, this one is ramen.
Okay.
What do you want? Ramen. You must remember that when you go back, it's Terminal 3.
Terminal 3. How much?
Riding in Hamamatsucho.
Next one.
No, not yet. And then direct to Terminal 3. So guys, nandito na kami sa Hamamatsucho. At magkukunik kami dito, magta-transfer kami dito galing papuntang Akihabara. Okay?
Let's go.
So we're on track number 2. This one. I don't know this one. This one is too cheap, but it's not.
This one I see. Alright, let me see.
This one is 980 yen. This is USB. Yeah, USB.
お近くの3ラインまでお気軽にお問い合わせください。
I don't know what they're selling.
Arcade. Or this one, like the ball.
I don't know about it because I don't play games.
I don't know that it's game. I thought that is okay. I'm just looking for collectible stores. Like, I ano niya, here. Wala pero reference to go.
This duty free. This is the biggest duty free. Dito na kami sa Akihabara. Ang daming tao. Yun during Sunday. This road is closed. Only
you can walk.
you can walk freely. But today is Saturday, that's why. Tomorrow it's closed.
You can do that?
Yes. You can?
Okay. Go. Which is the
It's here. Oh, this one.
This one?
Oh, it's duty free. You can go inside.